Hey guys, it is me, Nick. So I hope you guys like this. I kind of wanted to make it Christmassy because Christmas is like 3 days away. So yeah, I just put this little blanket I have. It's so cute. And then like when I get cold, they're like, I'm sorry guys. And just cuddle it. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I like the little stars. Okay, so welcome to my video. I am going to be showing you guys what it's like when you're a little kid. Okay. No. I am only 11. Let's do it. Wait, here. I'm going to show you guys what it's like being a preteen on waking up, like doing all the Christmas stuff, and being like a kid, like 5. So, why don't we get on with the video. Child you. Santa's coming tomorrow. So happy. Okay. Take pictures tomorrow. Got my phone. I'm gonna leave that right there. Oh, Santa's coming. Yay. Santa. Okay, I gotta go to sleep really quick. Okay. I can't sleep. Santa's coming. He's gonna bring all my presents. Really only asked for like 3 things. Steal it, Santa. Santa. Okay, what time is it? It's midnight. He's gonna be here. He's gonna be here. Teen you. And shared. Let's go see if Mom and Dad put the present under the tree. Booyah. you more presents. He's not coming. Oh, little brother. Stop being such a kid and know that Santa's not real. Oh, there's a new phone out there, so that's better be. Bye.